Welcome, let's talk about how to generate a marketing campaign today. First of all, let's understand the benefits of running a digital campaign in as a PC4C. Number 1, it enables an easy method of segmentation of target groups. Number 2, it provides real-time updates on the status of the campaign. And then, there is the capability of automation in managing the workflow of the campaign. To begin a digital campaign, let's get the messaging right. An email campaign would require an email template. So, create the email message within the solution based on an HTML template that can be uploaded as content and then be customized to fit the messaging. In SAP C4C, a mailing list can be easily created as a way to create a segment of recipients for an intended campaign. Notice how easy it is to add a new contact to an existing mailing list. In fact, it is also just as simple to create a brand new mailing list with all existing contacts within the system. Let's get on with the creation of a digital campaign, with follow-up workflow based on the events within the campaign message. Use the target group Sydney mailing list. A quick check of the recipient email. And successful acknowledgement of email that has been opened. Finally, the follow-up notifications due to successful execution of email campaign.